everyone, today we are making chocolate butter cake. I have the recipe in the description box below, so let's get started. I have my softened butter and sugar in this bowl, just mix them up till well combined. Now add your eggs one at a time, and remember, this is crucial. Do not overbeat the mixture. We do not want to incorporate air into this mixture. Just mix till combined properly. This cake holds its structure really well, but at the same time it's very soft and moist. It's ideal for stacking and decorating, especially when you are working with fondant or buttercream. So go ahead and use this recipe for a tiered cake. It works perfectly for that. This is my go-to recipe and I absolutely love it. Now we will be mixing our wet and dry ingredients into this mixture. Add the dry ingredients, add the wet ingredients and mix. Do this gently. Now, if you are new to baking, at this stage I would advise you to keep your mixer aside now and use a spatula or a whisk to combine all the ingredients. Why am I saying this? It's because a lot of people mess up at this point. They overbeat the mixture. Now, let's talk science for a minute. When you overmix, you are basically developing gluten into the batter, and when that happens, you're left with a hard and dense cake with gluey streaks. You will do the toothpick test. It will come out clean, of course, but when you slice it, it looks raw. Now that is a sad cake and nobody wants that. So please trust me on this. I've been there and learned it the hard way. You want to achieve a thick, just a well-combined batter. A smooth and glossy batter means you have developed gluten into the mixture. So I always tell everyone that please treat your cake batter with love and kindness to achieve the perfect texture. I forgot to add espresso coffee, so I'm adding it now, but you don't do that, okay? You add it with the wet ingredients. You will not taste the coffee, I promise. It will just give a boost to the chocolate flavor, so make sure you don't skip this out, okay? I buttered and floured my cake pans, and I also lined them with parchment paper. I also like to precisely divide my batter into two pans, and by the way, these are 8-inch pans in case if you're wondering. The batter is really thick, so I spread my batter evenly with a spatula. Give it a tap and jiggle and put the pans in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Should I do a video on frosting a cake? Let me know in the comments section and make sure to give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!